Mine adventure.
Oh, why am I in front? I'll let you go. Wait, was it supposed to go?
I'm caught. I hate my bag. There we go.
Lovely, go slowly. I'm gonna go slowly and enjoy this. Why am I afraid it's gonna be surprise? Gold dust nugget.
He's moving. He's checking how much it's worth and purity.
Is he moving? Oh, he is moving.
Yes, he is.
Just a minute, sir. You are inquiring of your horse. I have 2 assets ahead of you, but intend to make quick work of it and get to your sample today. Thank you for your patience. There is a fine establishment across the street to quench your thirst if need be.
I love that.
And on! 14th level, hoisting!
I was gonna say that sounds like an elevator. Uh-oh, mine's danger. That's what I was trying to avoid. I said that's what I was trying to avoid for her. I don't mind the booms, but I know she doesn't like them. Uh-oh, I think the canary's warning us. If the canary's telling us something's up, we better take notice. I
They stopped chirping.
think this is the... You know what? That could be true. I think this is the establishment across the street that they were telling us about.
What's your name, stranger? My name's Rosa. I
have you
been here before. New in town? Are you looking for some company? I can guarantee Cat Thompson's is the finest establishment in town. You won't be disappointed. Well, maybe later.
Oh, Dr. Hayes Curals.
I want her dress. It's so pretty.
Accident signal, ring, 5 bells 3 times, repeat until answered by hoistman.
Virginia City something was called sporting
Line.
Line.
Ooh. Ooh, it's ice. Hoist it up. Yeah, it's the ice room. They work for 10 minutes and rest for 15.
About 130 degrees.
What?
For 10 minutes.
Bunch of dynamite. Woohoo! That was awesome and amazing. And that's why it smells like popcorn in there.
Kettle corn. Cup your hands, enjoy the pour. Golden Nugget kettle corn. We got the doggy water bucket right there. We got the Golden Nugget kettle corn right here.
This is the row where you need to go if you want something cool and fun to do. They've got the mining adventure, which is brand new. They got the escape room, which is fantastic. You will never find another escape room, I think, that's actually in an Old West building, which adds to the fantasticness of it. And then we got Pop's Country Collectibles, which has Shoff's Ghost Town, which you've seen me do videos on multiple times. It's It's fantastic every single time. They've also got the shooting gallery down there as well. $5 each. Get on down here and try out the newest awesomeness down here. Big Bear Springs Mining Adventure.